So good morning Coffee Mates, good morning sa lahat. So today's video Coffee Mates, marami kasing nagko-comment, nag-PPM dun sa channel natin at the same time sa messenger natin, PPM tayo install ba rin tayo ba ng hub-centric link sa recent mugs and tires natin. So actually Coffee Mates, every time nagpapalit ba ako ng mugs, naglalagay talaga ako ng hub-centric link sa espresso. So good thing Coffee Mates is yung inner and outer diameter ng mga mugs natin is same lang sila. So hindi na po ako nag-purchase ng bago ng hub-centric link. So nakasave ako na. So from TE37 down to rim 13 at this present, same lang yung inner and outer diameter nila. So yung sukat nila is swak na swak. So as you can see, plug and play. Yan po, Coffee Mates. So, marami din nagtatanong at nagko-comment na pwede na po yan. Kahit walang hub-centric rings, since lightweight lang po yung espresso. So, for me kasi is hub-centric rings very important to fill in the gap from center bore. Yan lang, Coffee Mates. For safety purposes. So, magkano lang naman ito sa Shopee. Marami kang makukuha doon. Si-tweet mo lang is yung inner and outer diameter niya is alam mo. So, either Shopee or Sada, marami ito. So, this is my recent mugs and tires Coffee Mates. Ring 15 by 7 po yung lapad niya. Offset niya is 35. Yung tires natin is 185/65 po. So mga nagtatanong, sayad, wala pong sayad. Naka-leaf yung sasakyan ko. Yes, naka-leaf. Kahit hindi naka-leaf, pwede po stock na stock yung 185/65. Meron ako nakita dito sa amin. So nagmamatter lang po yan sa offset ng mugs. So yan Coffee Mates. So hopefully nakatulong. So sa lahat, thank you so much and ride safe.